Hi, I'm Sergeant Parker. I'm a 15 Whiskey unmanned aircraft systems operator. As a 15 Whiskey, our primary focus is put on launching the aircraft and flying it. The Army has multiple unmanned aircraft systems. The two primary ones are going to be Gray Eagle and Shadow. This in front of me is Shadow RQ-7 Bravo V2. Its primary focus is used for recon, any kind of early warning or aiding infantry or anything like that. This aircraft has a lot of different capabilities. The primary focus is in its payload. It has a EO camera, which is just like a regular camera, infrared camera, a laser designator, rangefinder, and a laser pointer. Usually we try to fly every single day we can, Monday through Friday, and just conduct any kind of training we can with different soldiers. So generally speaking, it'll be a different aircraft with a different soldier piloting it each day. When I'm flying this aircraft, usually we work together. The team is typically comprised of an aircraft operator whose primary focus is on flying the aircraft, and a payload operator whose primary focus is on controlling the camera. And then we also have ground crew members that we work with to help us throughout the flight of launching and landing this aircraft. If you're interested in being a 15 Whiskey, you don't really need any skills coming into the Army. A lot of this stuff is trained in your AIT. And then a primary focus is put on the job training as well. Some of the skills I've learned as part of my job as a 15 Whiskey include general aviation, flying the aircraft, following any kind of procedures, and just paying attention to little details. That way you don't have any problems when you're flying. I chose this particular MOS because it translates well over to the civilian world. There's a lot of jobs that are advancing as drone operators, and I was kind of looking to translate over into that once I get out.